In this video, you'll learn how to change app icons on your Google Pixel 6. By following these steps, you will customize the look of your app icons to better suit your style and preferences. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 6. Once your device is unlocked, long press on an empty area of the home screen. This action will bring up a menu with various options. From this menu, tap on the option labeled Wallpaper and Style. This section is essential for customizing your device's icons and themes. Ensuring you are in the correct settings is crucial for the next steps. After accessing Wallpaper and Style, look for the section that includes icon settings. You should see an option for themed icons. If you want your app icons to match the system colors, enable the themed icons option. Additionally, consider exploring third-party launchers if you desire more icon options. Select the icon style you prefer from the available choices. This selection will change the appearance of your app icons based on your preferences. Once you've chosen your desired icon style, confirm your selection. After this confirmation, navigate back to your home screen to see the changes in action. Take a moment to review how the icons appear on your device. If the icons do not meet your expectations, you can return to the settings to adjust them for a more satisfactory visual experience. Customization enhances your overall interaction with your device. It allows for a more personal touch that reflects your style. Your app icons are now updated, providing a fresh look to your home screen. Remember, you can always revisit the settings to make further adjustments or changes as needed. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.